bathroom for girls. And the master's bedroom. Hold on a minute, turn the light on. Can't show you much of the bedroom because someone's hidden the remote control for the light. One of the downsides of having a remote control for a light. But basically this is it. Shoot my wide angle lens here. T-shirt. Should be Grumpy. Nice down comforter. And